Oh, how about you?
Nah.
Get out
by the way, I got one
man.
for you.
Wait for me, Fox.
Are you gonna freaking do that, kid?
Wait, don't shoot at me. You retard.
Come on, Disney.
Hey, do you guys want
Oh, this kid's gonna
Here's
fight
what's
the
it.
dust.
Yo, I'm recording. He called you retard. He retarded. He retarded. He called you a retard when I was
Here's
recording.
what's it.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Come on, kid.
What's going on?
Hey.
Don't be such a bully.
Yeah, make.
Dude,
What in
take
the
the
fuck
mic from
is
you.
happening?
Just-
Threaten us. Just
Cool.
because you're an admin doesn't mean you can threaten
Oh
us.
my gosh, you need to be a rat.
Hi, Dizzy.
Yes, you are. You're telling us you're gonna shoot us if you don't get out of your way. Because we're speaking the truth about you. You're not even an admin.
It is true.
Yeah, guys,
Honestly,
don't
you
get behind the
You
counter.
don't even help.
If you guys get behind the counter, you do get shot by a Jim.
Oh yeah.
Including you, Fox.
Mickey. Nick, can I have,
The only thing you have
Well,
good about you is that blue name of yours. You don't do shit.
Yo, shut up, kid.
Probably the only thing cool you
to
have.
help people?
Nice guy.
What
Shut
are you
the
gonna
hell
do?
up, man.
Look at
You're
that.
gonna admin abuse?
Okay, everybody
Hey,
get out.
Nick,
Get out.
hey Nick, come with me. I'll take you to my
Yeah.
cafe for a peaceful vacation.
Oh, wait,
Yo,
okay. wait,
Omega.
what's your name?
Get out of
There
here.
we go.
Get out.
I have to ask you a question,
Get out.
mate. Do you have a license for that weapon that you're holding in your hand right now? Put it away real quick.
There we
Do you
go.
have a license for that weapon? I'm gonna
I
have to
am
call
a
the
member of
second
the, oh,
There you
here,
go.
yeah, sorry.
Yo,
let me put it
Lant, Waffles, let's just go. Come on.
I am a member of the...
Waffles, come
I'm a member
on.
of the PB.
Waffles,
I'm a
come
member
on.
of the PB. I'm allowed to carry a firearm such as this one around. Don't worry.
Okay. Just don't walk around it with it in town, okay?
Just don't like it ready with your
Yeah.
hand, in your hand.
Wait, why are you apologizing to Mick? Nice.
Stop opening up the door.
Open it again and you'll get shot.
Yo,
That's
Lance,
21.
come on. Oh, where is Fox at?
Everybody gets shot out here. Warning 2.
I'm not the one who opened it, I promise.
Open the door right now, Jim.
You get one more chance. If you open it, you all die.
Who just opened it?
Alright,
I can't open it. I'm not in the SB group. I can't open it.
Omega 4 Strike, I believe, is the one who
See the sign? It's closed.
Yo, that's
okay,
KOS. That's
There's
KOS.
one guy. Don't touch his stuff.
Don't touch the
Don't
Yo,
touch his stuff.
that's KOS. That's KOS. Yo, I was
Don't touch
recording.
his stuff.
I was recording.
Don't touch his stuff.
Step away from the stuff.
Yo,
now.
that's
Cal,
KOS.
what's his name?
Everybody back
TPM.
up.
His name is Lance. His name is Lance Waffles.
Back up right now.
Back up or you die. I heard someone put stuff up.
Yo, that's
Just
KOS.
pick it up.
That's second.
Sir.
His
I'm
name
not gonna
was
confiscate anything of yours, but I would put your honey badger in your inventory.
my honey
Yeah,
badger
put it
is in my
your
inventory. Why?
No, the honey badger. Put it in your inventory
Why?
so that we don't like confiscate it off of you.
Why would you
Have
do
your
that?
firearm.
You can't do that though.
Can you back up, please?
Sure. I'm not gonna take any of his stuff. I'm his friend. He's admin on my server.
And what did you guys do?
We gave the guy 5 warnings.
the dude in the
Do
crown,
not pick up his stuff,
You
please.
the dude in the crown.
You
can
should
reclaim it if
need
you
to
want.
TP him over here somewhere
TP
and not
him
kill
back.
him.
The dude in
You said
the
that's a lie.
TP him.
Can you TP them back?
the dude in the crown.
What is that?
It's Lance.
Lance
It was
Lance
Lance.
Waffle.
It was Lance. The
Dude,
dude.
I told you to back up 4 times.
Shut up! I
Please
don't have
back
to
up.
back up. He's my friend. I'm not gonna take any of his
First time
stuff.
it's getting shot at.
Do you really want to do this? Do you really want to do this?
Sorry, Lance.
I will kill you.
Fucking
That
idiot.
they killed
We
you.
gave you 5 warnings.
I don't care. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
well, I
take
was
his
the one
Put your
stuff.
guns down, guys. It's not useful.
You shoot me,
Okay,
I'ma
pick up
kill you.
anything.
You
Put
shoot
the
me,
gun
I'ma
away
kill
or
you.
Your
you will
weapon.
be shot and killed.
You will be shot and killed
I
if
did
you shoot
put
me.
it-
Fucking
Everybody
shit,
just
I'm
put their
picking
weapons
it up.
away.
Leave me alone.
Just put your weapon away, please.
Like, they look so cool. but-
Yo, what
And that's
the heck?
Oh, you want some? She got green. Now you want some? It's sweet. Because I'm the one who got it. Yeah, I did.
What the heck?
Hey, what's wrong?
What's going on?
It must be lag.
What's going on? What even? Trying to get up here, and suddenly I end up on the ground.
What the heck?
You can't run on this map apparently. Because you end up in a